The new model in the line of camping stoves from Terra Incognita is called Izar. It is a camping gas threaded stove, meaning it operates with threaded gas canisters. This type of stove is called a portable stove because it is not screwed onto the top of the canister, but is instead positioned separately from the canister via a hose. Among other things, I would highlight two main features of this model. The first is its compactness. Often, portable stoves are bulkier and somewhat heavier. Another important feature is the fuel preheating. This brass tube here is where the fuel passes before going through the nozzle. This tube is located close to the flame, so it heats up and warms the fuel. What does this give us? It provides us with more stable operation at low temperatures, and we know that the lower the temperature, the lower the gas pressure, and consequently, the worse it burns. Please note that for the stove to work well at low temperatures, we need to fuel it with liquid gas. To do this, we need to turn the gas canister upside down. Then the gas will evaporate not in the canister, but in this heated tube. Overall, the design of the stove is quite simple and straightforward. It features foldable legs and pot holders. Specifically, there is the tube for fuel preheating, a 40 cm hose protected by a metal braid. At the end of the hose, there is a valve that regulates the gas flow. The part where the valve is located and the actual connection point to the canister rotates independently of the hose. Although this stove is designed to work with threaded gas canisters, you can easily use cartridge canisters with this type of adapter. The main specifications of the stove are displayed on the screen. The stove comes with a bag for transportation and storage. Now, here's a brief quick guide on how to use the stove for those who have never dealt with similar devices. Make sure that the valve is fully closed. Screw the canister in all the way, but without excessive force. Slightly open the valve to let the gas out. Ignite it with a lighter or something else. Adjust the flame strength using the valve. If you are using it at low temperatures and the flame is burning poorly, set the fire to the minimum. Turn the canister upside down, and then continue to adjust the flame. After use, close the valve and unscrew the canister. It's that simple. A link to this stove will be in the video description.